Today I want to show you guys this leaf blower. The brand sent it to me to make a video for you guys. As you see, this is really cool, very unique product. It has different lights on the side and from the front. You just press the button here, it will activate the front one. If you keep pressing, it will change the mode, and if you press and hold this, it will activate this one on the side. So you would just press and hold, you see it just activates, and you have different dimming and different SOS mode. So this is pretty nice, very like easy to just change the nozzles. You can easily swipe between this and the other one, this one here. So it is pretty powerful. So you can see I just blow some over there. So let's see, we have this. Once you press, you will see how powerful this is. You can easily push through the leaves. So very decent unit. As you see, it's just doing really good job. It's able to push through all the leaves without any difficulties. Very easy operation. You can easily just press, and it has this nice large battery it comes with. So it comes in different colors as well. I hope this was helpful.